am going to take your next class of mental math, class 2, and your chapter name is chapter 3, subtraction. In the previous class, I just taught you the chapter addition, and I have told you how to solve the problems. Today I am just start the subtraction, exercise 1. Fill in the boxes. Here I am going to just show you the how you can do the subtraction in a number line. Okay, I just want to show you one thing. This is your subtraction. Okay, I just solve you only one question. The rest two you have to do yourself. Okay, then here see the number line. Here is 0 to 30. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is 9. 9, and from 9 it will come back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here the number will be 5. Means 9 minus 5, the answer will be 4. Like this way you have to do the subtraction on the number line. The rest two question you have to do yourself. Then the exercise 2. Write the subtraction fact for each addition. Subtraction fact for first we have to add the numbers 8 plus 9. Number 8, that is already done in the book, so that's why I am going to say you explain you the number B. 8 plus 9 is 8 plus 9. The answer will be 17. So 17. If you minus 17 with 9, 17 minus 9. What will be the answer? Eight. Okay, like this you can do 8 plus 9, 17, and 17 if you minus this 17 with this number, then you get this answer. Okay, so this is your subtraction fact. But the next question, 14 plus 8. 14 plus 8, 2, 22. Okay. Then if you again you just subtract 22 with 8. Get this answer. Means first we add these two numbers, the answer we will get. Then after this, then this answer we have to subtract with 8. 22 minus 8. Then we got this answer. Like this way you can do the subtraction fact. Then the rest questions see in your book. Exercise 2. This one number A, it was already done in the book. Then B and C. Then you have to do the question number D and E yourself. Then the fill in the box. This one I will again show you the two questions, that is the D and E. D and E, the rest 4 you have to do yourself. Okay, how you will do? First in the ones place, fill in the boxes tens and ones. 68 minus 42. Here in the answer this was factored. So 8 minus 2. Is 6. Okay, and if 8 minus 2 is 6, and if we add in the subtraction fact 6 plus 2, then we get this 8. Okay, then in this question 94, and here we have to subtract with this number. Here 1 is written, and this one you have to find. So first 4 minus 1, it is 3, and then we have to find this number, how much we add or subtract the number with this number, that the answer we got. So see here 9 is written and the 4. So we subtract 9 minus 4, then we get the answer 5. Okay, if you want you just check it, you just then add these two numbers, 4 plus 5, then you get the 9. This means your answer is right. Okay, like this way you have to do. Then the exercise 3, and in the see your book. This one I have shown you in the board. And the 3 you have to do yourself. Subtraction of 3-digit number. It's very simple. You can do yourself. Then I'm going to show you the exercise 3 matching. How you will do? See. Here in the column A, the numbers are given. 19 minus 8, 14 minus 6, 25 minus 3, 32 minus 12 and 66 minus 65. And this side in the column B, the answer is written. So you have to match this number with their answers. How you will do? See, first 19 minus, okay, first we just do a subtraction. 19 minus 8, what will the answer? Write 11. Then 14 minus 6, 14 minus 6, answer will be, wait, it's better we do a different color, it will be easy for you to understand. Then 8. 25 minus 3, yes, 5 minus 3, 2, 12. 12. Then 32 minus 12, 0 and 2. Here it is answer. Okay, then you will easily find the answer. So one thing you have to remember that please don't match like this number line. You have to match with the number only. Okay, 19 minus 8, the answer will be 11. Where is 11? See here. So you write A. Okay, and 14 minus 6 equal to 8. Where is 8? Here. Then write here B. Okay, then 25 minus 13 equal to 12. Where is 12? Here. Write C here. 32 minus 12, number D. Then the answer will be 20. Here is 20. Write here number D. Then the question number E is 66 minus 65 equal to 1. There is 1 here. Do like this. Okay, you have to do only the number matching, don't do the line matching. Okay, then the number 2, subtract. So here the numbers are given, you have to subtract the numbers. I am going to show you how you will do. 3, here you can see in the ones place the 63 minus 25. If we minus subtract the this ones place first, that means the right side, this number is smaller than the 5. So what we have to do? We just take number from tens place. So here we can write 13, and if we take here, then it will be minus, then like this. Now you can subtract the numbers. So here 8 and 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, and this side here 83 minus 46. Here the same thing. This number is smaller than the 6. 3 is smaller than 6. So we have to 13. Okay, we take the 10 from the left side, that is from the tens place. So it will be the 13, and the 8 it will be minus 1, that is 7. So 13 minus 6, right? Then 37. Okay. Then here the 83, here the same thing. This the 3 is smaller than the 8. So we just cut it 13 and it will be 7. Then here the answer will be 5 and okay. Then the here 61 minus 29. Same thing. This one is 9 is greater than the 1. So we have to make it greater number 11 and the 5. 2 and the 3. Like this way you have to do. See your book. Matching I have already done. You just copy from the video. You just do in your book. And the portion I have done for class subtraction. I have done the 4 subtraction here. The rest you have to do. Yes, B, C, H, I have shown you in the board. The rest, the leftover the questions you have to do yourself. Okay. Hope all of you understand this portion well. Okay. The next portion I will teach you in the next class. For today only I just finished my class. Thank you.